Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an incredible product to review, one that's been making waves in the world of hairstyling. If you're looking for the best curling iron for wavy hair, you're in the right place. I present to you the Beachy Professional Ceramic Tourmaline Ionic Flat Iron. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this flat iron stand out from the rest. Stick around to learn why it's become such a popular choice for hair enthusiasts. Let's start with an overview of this fantastic product. The Beachy Professional Ceramic Tourmaline Ionic Flat Iron is designed for those looking to achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of their own homes. It's an all-in-one hair styling tool that's perfect for straightening, curling, and styling your hair. Here are some key features that make this flat iron exceptional. Ceramic tourmaline plates. These plates are designed to reduce frizz and static, leaving your hair shinier and silkier. Heat balance microsensors. These sensors regulate the temperature evenly across the plates, preventing heat damage to your precious locks. Total control. You can easily adjust the temperature settings from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to match your hair type, giving you complete control. Complete package. It comes with a glove, pouch, and travel-size organ oil for added convenience. Now, let's talk about the technology and design behind this flat iron. The Beachy Professional Flat Iron boasts advanced ceramic and tourmaline crystal ion plates, revitalizing and nourishing your hair. The plates are not only durable but also flexible, allowing you to create various styles, from sleek and straight to playful curls. The real question is, how well does this flat iron perform? Let's take a look at some real results. As you can see from these before and after images, this flat iron works wonders, leaving your hair smooth, frizz-free, and full of shine. It's perfect for all hair types, including curly, frizzy, and coarse hair. So, what sets the Beachy Professional Flat Iron apart from other options in the market? Let's summarize the reasons why you should consider this as the best curling iron for wavy hair. Quick and safe styling. It heats up rapidly, and the temperature control ensures safe styling. Worldwide dual voltage. Perfect for travel, you can use it anywhere in the world. Satisfaction guarantee and warranty. Backed by a satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Now, let's see what customers have to say about their experience with the Beachy Professional Flat Iron. Many customers have praised this flat iron for its performance, durability, and affordability. It has received an impressive rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 88,000 global ratings. In conclusion, the Beachy Professional Ceramic Tourmaline Ionic Flat Iron is undoubtedly one of the best curling irons for wavy hair available in the market today. With its advanced technology, stunning results, and customer satisfaction, it's a must-have for anyone looking to achieve salon-quality hair at home. If you're interested in getting your hands on this fantastic flat iron, check out the link in the video description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.